What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. So let's get it started. We have CHF JPY here, and let's see. Okay, I go with sellers right on this candle. We have this level here, which is strong, and we have broke this level bit with less than 50% of the candle. So it might have a retracement here and then break to the upside. Let's see. Okay, that was my first trade. This is basically an engulfing pattern. We have retracement, and because this is pretty strong level, I yeah, the bars are breaking. The reason why I didn't go with buyers, I thought this might go down for one more red candle, because this is pretty strong level, and might come down. But I can go with sellers for the next candle. Okay, it's gone too strong. I will go with buyers with a little bit of marginal safety. If it gives me my goodness, I can't believe it didn't come down a little. Okay, I will add a couple of pairs. Okay. It came down a little late, so it might just be a red candle. So I will wait for the next candle. Okay, we have basically a ranging market here. You see this level is pretty strong, and we might have another red candle. Okay, I will go with buyers for each of these pairs for the next trade. Okay, this is a Morningstar with retracement. I go with buyers here. Also this one I go with buyers, because we also have higher high. Let's see what these two trades gonna do. Okay, they both winners. The next level here is this round number, which is combined with this level, and this is a healthy uptrend. And this level is about to break. You see immediate reverse from after touching this level. Okay, buyers pushing the price up again. It means that buyers are pretty strong. But here we cannot go with buyers because it's almost 50-50. We don't know how many sellers are sitting up there. And yeah, we can fill the gap with a green candle, and also we can go down at least till here with a red candle. So this is 50-50. See, we have this one. Okay, I have to add one more pair. Okay, this is an uptrend. Okay, you see, it's trying to, okay, I go with sellers here because we basically didn't create a higher high, and it means that sellers are in the market and they can push the price to this range. So there's high probability of sellers enter, but again, this is against this trend, so anything can happen here, no problem. Okay, that was a win. I go with buyers here because we had an uptrend and this should be a pullback because we see strong buyers here. It might have a retracement, but there's a high probability of just continuing because this is a pretty strong pullback. I mean, strong engulf and strong momentum previously. If this was a weak buyers, I wouldn't go with buyers here because I would consider this to coming down. But here we have strong buyers with little bit of confidence. Okay, we have confidence, and you saw the candle movement at the last 5 seconds. How strong was it? Okay, I will lower my risk and go with buyers one more trade. Okay, and this is my last trade, whether it's a loss or win. And I just want to see if this gap here is gonna fill. Okay, it seems that this was a pullback and we can just continue. If we see our pattern, we can continue with the trend. Guys, remember, you have to always have a plan before taking trades, and you have to update your scenarios in your brain just continuously because market is just changing scenarios all the time. And yeah, you have to be able to read the market and take your trades based on your strategy on that certain level, certain situation, that running market, so you can be profitable. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope that was useful and something to learn. And thank you for watching. Keep practicing and never give up, because I believe every person who practices well enough, he or she is gonna make it no matter what. Okay, so keep practicing and push harder and never give up. Thank you for watching. Peace out.